Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trader Watch video brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Wednesday the 19th of February. So just before we start, if you'd like to connect with us through our social media channels, the details are there up on the screen. And just to let you know some of the products and services we make available to our traders, every Monday to Thursday at 9 p.m. we have our Capital Growth Live Trade Room, which is a 30-minute webinar where we go through, look for high probability trading opportunities across your foreign exchange markets, commodities, and also global indices. So we do look for major capital market moves in those markets during that session. It's also a really good opportunity to plan for your trading day the following day, and it's a 30-minute webinar. We also have our signal service available, which not just only gives you the signal, also explains in detail what the trade is and why we're getting into it, looking at the fundamentals, sentiment, and technicals as well. And we provide a chart of each trade. Plus, our daily Trader Watch video. Our traders get access to this video before it goes out into the general public. And then every Thursday at 8 p.m. we have our trading mentorship webinar, which is an opportunity for you as a trader to attend a trading session to ask whatever questions you happen to need answering. Okay, so if we can start then with our risk warning, please see our risk warning currently up on screen. And if you do have any questions to ask, or you want to have a look at some of these products and services, we do have membership packages from as little as $19.99. You just go to the website www.thelivetraderoom.com for more information. Okay, so let's get in and discuss some high probability trading opportunities. And it's a general theme that we've been talking about for a good week or so, and it's just this sell trade in the clearly defined selling opportunities in the euro dollar, and we're extending lower. And I just want to just zoom out really and just show you the potential for this market to continue further to the downside. So there's definitely a lot of air below these lows, and what we're looking to do is, off the back of yesterday's candlestick, we saw a nice move to the downside. We're just looking for a continuation, but only looking to get into this market below the 107.85. That would give us an opportunity to look at this trade again to the downside. So we want to go with the market as it moves in the direction in which we're looking to trade it. Same situation, exactly the same. This is a structural failure below the 119.24 there towards the end of last week, and now we're extending lower yesterday. And so the level that we're looking at from a high probability perspective in this market is 118.46. So those are the levels to look out for in the euro. In addition to that, it's worth keeping an eye on what's happening with the oil, because we do like this market above the 52.15. We can probably just increase that level just a fraction. So the new level now is the 52.33 level. So if we get this market, yesterday's price action, we saw a V-shaped recovery. So the market started to sell off, and this is very much driven supply and demand driven market. So there was concerns and issues on the demand side with the coronavirus, and we saw the market started to sell off, and then we started to see buyers start creeping back in, and looks like there's a bit of a rejection to the downside. So really, if this market breaks above the 52.33, then that is your high probability opportunity potentially to the upside in this market. So just a few markets there to consider. And if you want to connect to us, the details are up on the screen. We do have our daily webinar at 9 p.m. every night for 30 minutes. We also have our signal services available when we instigate a trade. This video goes out normally on a daily basis, and then every Thursday we have our trading mentorship webinar as well. So in addition, we've got a lot more on our website, so do go to our website for more information, www.thelivetraderoom.com, and do feel free to ask any questions as you need. So thank you very much for joining us. As always, do take care. We look forward to seeing you next time. For everyone here, bye for now.